Here we're going to have a look at a rare 1968 Buick Skylark Sport Wagon. The wagon is 208 inches in length, 73.6 inches wide, and weighs 3,405 pounds. This car has had one repaint, but is mainly a survivor. The sports wagon's wheelbase was stretched to allow the third row seat to face forward, which is very unusual. It is still equipped with its number matching GS 400 4-barrel 6.6 liter engine with 340 horsepower and 440 pounds of foot torque. Let's have a look on the inside. On the inside we find power steering, tilt steering, cruise control, the original Buick AM radio. We also have power windows, power seats, headrests, split back seat for third seat entry, third row seat facing forward, rear sun visors, and panoramic view glass, as well as an electric back window. When the family was left at home, fold down the seats and this car became a great utility work vehicle and still has the power to get down the road. Let's have a look at it driving away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.